If you are trying to install Laravel 13 and getting errors like PHP version not supported or Composer failing, this video will fix that. Laravel 13 requires 8.3 and most beginner get stuck right here. So in the next few minutes, I will show you the exact step by step. So the first requirement is PHP 8.3, and then you have to check Composer is installed in your system or not. So let's go in command prompt. So first of all, we need to check the PHP version in your system. So PHP-v. So in my system, 8.3 is already installed. In your system, PHP is lower than 8.3. So you need to install first of all PHP 8.3. Then Laravel 13 will run smoothly in your system. Then we have to check Composer also. So Composer -v. So you can see, if you will see the icon like this, Composer, then definitely in your system, Composer is installed in your system. But if you are not seeing this type of image in your CMD, then you need to install the Composer. So if you are facing any problem related to PHP installation and Composer installation, just comment me and I will help you. So the only two requirement is PHP 8.3 version is installed in your system and Composer is installed in your local system. Then we are able to install the Laravel 13 in our system. So to install the Laravel 13, just we need to write Composer. I'm going to clear this screen. Okay. So now the command is Composer create. So inside this YouTube channel, I have created a Laravel 13 folder, or inside this folder is empty, or inside this folder I am going to install my Laravel 13 first project. Okay. So Composer create project and space, and then Laravel/Laravel, and then whatever name of your project. So you can write first app. Okay. Now I'm going to hit the enter. So now the installation is started. So you can see installation is started inside this location, YouTube channel, Laravel 13 and first app. Okay. So it will take time. So you can see all the dependencies are installing in my system. So installation is continue. So if you want to know this, the meaning of this command, Composer create project Laravel. Composer is a dependency manager. Create project tells Composer to create a new project from a package which is Laravel/Laravel and official Laravel project templates. So latest version is 13. So I'm not going to specify the version. So by default, it will create the Laravel project in the highest version. So highest version is currently is 13. This is folder name of my project, first app. So inside the first app, all the fresh new Laravel project is going to install. So what happens internally, it's downloading the Laravel 13 and install dependency and set up a project structure. Okay. So I think installation is finished or not. Let's go. No, it's running. So after this installation, we are just going to run this project. According to your system configuration, it will take time. So at this point, Laravel is installed, but many people don't know how to actually run it. So let's start this application. So first of all, we need to go to inside that first app folder. So for that, we need to write first cd first app. Now we are inside first app application. Now we have to run the command to start the Laravel application. So PHP artisan serve. So this is the command to start our Laravel application, Laravel server. So you can see inside this 8000 port, it is started. Okay. So let's go. So you can see Laravel 13 is successfully installed and this is running successfully. If you close this server, so now if you hit this URL, so it will not start the application. Now you can see fuse to connect. So again, when I'm going to restart this, so it will start the application. Okay. So again, our Laravel application is started. So now we have successfully installed Laravel 13 from scratch. So in the next video, I will show you how to build your first real Laravel 13 project step by step. So in coming videos, we will cover all these things. If this video is helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon to get latest updated from my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.